All right, cool. Let's do this one. It says the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. What's the temperature in Kelvin? Now, somewhere in your notes, this is if you have the temperature in Kelvin. So we'll say T for temperature in Kelvin. It's actually equal to the temperature in Celsius. And then you just add 273 degrees. That's it. That one's an easy one. Okay, when you go from Fahrenheit to Kelvin, you got to convert it to Celsius, then plug it into this one. So this is one of the easier ones to do. So to find the temperature in Kelvin, I'm just going to say that the temperature in Celsius is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. And so you just say 25, technically you're supposed to do this, and degrees plus, bless you, 273 degrees. And then I'm pretty sure that's the 298, right? But we'll plug it in a calculator just for funsies. If we use Desmos, I always let you guys use Desmos when you take a test. Usually I only have 2 tabs. So bookmark the ones you don't want to lose. So when you take the test on Friday, I'm going to lock out everything. You'll only have 2 tabs, one for the test, one for Desmos. And then we'll say 25 plus 273. Boom, 298 is the answer. Okay. And so we'll just say that my temperature in Kelvin. Oh, see, this is what's weird. Sometimes the computer can't keep up. Okay, there we go. Nope. That's a weird thing. Yeah. That's always weird. So I have to do this. It's very frustrating. Well, the computer locked up. It should be 270. I don't know why it won't let me. Let's see if I change the color. Okay, let's try this. Yay! Let's see if we can add to this. 298. They switched the computers to Windows 11, but these computers are kind of old. And so I noticed that the computer's been kind of glitchy. Any questions on that? All right, cool.